These are 1.4 notes. We are going to distribute today. So first, let's just review what distributing means. When we distribute, that means everybody gets a turn. So if I'm distributing A to B, I get AB. This is a addition problem, so I'm going to put an addition sign. And A times C is AC. You do the same thing in this one. You get AB minus AC. So let's do it with some real numbers so it makes sense. So I have this 7 that has to be distributed to everything inside the parentheses. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 4 is positive 28. 7x plus 28. I'm going to put a little 1 right here. You could have put a 1 right there in the x too. 2 times 1b is 2b. 2 times negative 3 is minus 6. 2b minus 6. We got to distribute a negative 4 this time. Negative 4 times 1y is negative 4y. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 4y minus 12. You could also write negative 4y plus negative 12. Either way is completely acceptable. I'm going to do one more example, then I'm going to have you do some on your own. Negative 5 times m is negative 5m. Negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10. I need you to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. Look at number 5 real quick though. All we see right here is a negative sign. So I'm going to put a little 1. So it's actually a negative 1 and a little 1 right here, y. So it'd be negative 1 times 1y. All right, take care of that. Do the other questions on the other page and you'll be done for today.